Hi everyone, welcome back to Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel guys, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking cryptocurrency today. We are talking about what is happening with Robinhood's IPO. We're also talking about the US has been named one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world, and so much more. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody, welcome back to Dubs Investing. We're on this channel, we do frequent videos on cryptocurrency, stock investing, and overall investing. If you like that and you want to see more, like and subscribe guys, it is absolutely free. Let's jump in. Having a look at the market today guys, we are in the red to dark red today. We have Bitcoin at 33,148, Ethereum at 222. We have selected altcoins in the dark red to red today. It looks like we are definitely plummeting back down to earth. What is happening? Who is tweeting? What is going on with this market at the moment, guys? Stay tuned. Okay, jumping straight in, Ethereum price hits 2-week high as London hard fork momentum builds. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization peaked north of 2,300 on Sunday, its highest reading since June 18th. Bitcoin's price stability and anticipation of the Meta protocol upgrade are fueling investors' appetite for Ethereum. Ethereum's $230 million option expiry on Friday appears to have shifted market sentiment in favor of the bulls, at the least momentum as investors and remaining cautiously optimistic about the upcoming London hard fork in prospect that Bitcoin has established a firm bottom. Are you buying ETH? I know I was buying ETH. Continuing down on this, I will continue to buy Ethereum. On to the next one. NFTs make it possible for gamers to have a digital property rights. The digital ownership covered by blockchain will allow the Metaverse to fulfill its true potential as community owners and community governed. Every day we hear of more involvement by big industrial players, for example, Epic Games and Roblox, as we creep closer to the Metaverse, a shared, persistent virtual environment of interconnected digital experiences. The problem is that none of this matters until netizens are able to truly own digital assets, and it all starts with gaming. Video games make us feel like we can do anything. These virtual worlds of limitless potential allow us to transcend the reality of everyday life as we become heroes. They give us the sense that we are in control of our own destiny. Games are good simulations of life. Players can earn rewards to accrue wealth, climb the ranks, and achieve statuses. These goals are something on which games place an extraordinary value in everyday week. Games spend an average of around 30 hours playing games, interacting in game forums, and participating in game streams. Are you a streamer? Are you a gamer? I reckon this is fantastic for the overall space. Get with it, guys. Get into it. On to the next one. Okay, London's fork enters testnet on Ethereum as difficulty boom sees delays. As Ethereum's London upgrade launches on Raspberry testnet mainnet, anticipation for the stakers and miners increases. The Ethereum network witnessed the development of its London upgrade on the Raspberry testnet on June 24th. This upgrade consists of high anticipation Ethereum Improvement Protocol EIP 1559. Following the launch of the Raspberry testnet, the London upgrade will be deployed on the Ethereum's network at weekly intervals. This is one of the important steps in the roadmap to implement a proof of stake consensus on the Ethereum network, also known as Ethereum 2.0. On to the next one. Bitcoin mining difficulty just fell by a record 28%, but will this help BTC price recovery? The ratio of Bitcoin price to hash rate presents bulls with a long wait as hash rates is still migrating. Bitcoin has recorded its biggest mining difficulty drop of nearly 28% on July 3rd, but one model suggests that the BTC price will not bottom until October. In a series of tweets on July 2nd, investment manager said the relationship between Bitcoin price and hash rate arguably evidence that the dip is not over. Bitcoin mining difficulty dropped by an estimated 27.94% on Saturday at the block height 689,472, the biggest in its history. As Cointelegraph previously explained, the drop is a response to the ongoing miner migration out of China and the subsequent loss of the hash rate. All things happening, all very technical. This is affecting the price. This is bringing it down. But once China settles, once we get this all sorted, we will see stability in the market, in my opinion. On to the next one. Facing $70 million in fine from regulators, Robinhood files for an IPO. The US Financial Industry Regulator Authority delivered its biggest financial penalty against the trading app on Wednesday, and Robinhood still reportedly faces scrutiny from the SEC regulating its business practices. Stock and crypto trading app Robinhood has filed an application with the US Securities Exchange Commission for initial public offering. In a Form S-1 registration statement filed Thursday, the SEC Robinhood said it intended to move forward with an initial public offering for its Class A common stock. If approved, the company said it would plan to trade using the ticker HOOD on the Nasdaq and raise $100 million in the debut. Robinhood said it would reserve 20% to 35% of the shares for its users. The IPO announcement comes just after days after the US Financial Industry Regulatory Authority ordered Robinhood to pay roughly $70 million in fines related to its alleged synthetic supervisional failures, as well as restrictions to customers it had allegedly caused widespread and significant harm. Robinhood reported in the filing that it had reached an agreement in principle with the regulatory body to pay the $57 million fine, but only $4.5 million in restrictions to affect users. In addition, Robinhood has faced multiple lawsuits from regulators, state authorities, and individuals relating to its platform outages, account takeovers, and trading restrictions connected to the GameStop stock conspiracy. The company said it anticipates it will pay $15 million to the New York State Department of Financial Services related to anti-money laundering and cybersecurity related issues. Woo! That was a mouthful. All right, guys. So in a nutshell, Robinhood is IPOing. It's got some fines to pay, a bit of a slap on the wrist, and here we go. On to the next one. Study names US most crypto-ready country. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are considered to be the commodities by the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission and the Securities Exchange Commission. Despite not having a clear regulatory framework on cryptocurrencies, the United States has poised itself as the most crypto-ready nation in the world based on several key metrics, such as Google searches, crypto ATMs, saturation, and legislation. The 2021 Crypto Ready Index, courtesy of research from CryptoHead, gave the United States a top score of 7.13 out of 10. In terms of crypto ATMs, the USA is leading the way with over 17,000, which is by far the most in the world, as the next closest country has around 16,000 less. The results were realized on Thursday showed US law allows for ownership of crypto and its use in banks, and there has been a 104% increase in searches for cryptocurrency in the past year. Cyprus was named as the second most crypto-ready jurisdiction in the world, mainly for the sharp increase in Google searches over the past year. Rounding out the top 5 was Singapore, Hong Kong, and UK. The United States looked poised to regress on the regulation front last year when the outgoing Trump administration pushed for harsher legislation on self-custody wallets. Under President Joe Biden, and the White House appears to have taken a more favorable stance on digital assets with the appointment of Gary Gensler, a crypto-friendly lawmaker on poise of the SEC Commission. There you go, guys. Top 5. I'm from Australia, not even in it, nowhere close, not doing anything about it. But if you're any of those countries, well done. Keep writing to your mayors, to your presidents, to whoever you can speak to, guys. Let's get this thing going. Let's get it going. UK Chancellor named CBDC on the list of financial reforms for the Treasury. While I believe in the power of new technology, we also need to manage its impact on our economy and society. Chancellor of the Ecuador of the United Kingdom has included cryptocurrencies and stablecoins on the list of financial reforms and government plans to undertake in the next few years. Speaking to lawmakers at the Lord Mayor of London's residence on Thursday, the Chancellor said the UK government would be implementing recommendations to establish the country's as a centre of fintech innovation and business. Through Suwank said the UK would be protecting citizens across the cash. He added authorities would be monitoring upgrades in the financial technology as well as working on its own reform regarding to digital assets. UK's on fire, guys. Everything's happening there. Should we move there? If anyone's there, let me know in the comments. Is this bullish news for you? On to the next one. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around towards the end of the video. If you like this content, like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to share. If you want to get some free Bitcoin or anything free, check out in the pinned comments. We have Bitcoin, we have stocks, we have heaps of goodies in there. Go and check it out in the pinned comments, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.